Hey guys, so right now it's 7 a.m. We're gonna apply for visa for our Japan trip. Last week we tried to apply via travel agency but they declined because our travel date is on February. You have to apply 4 months earlier if you're gonna go through a travel agency. Right now it's December and our travel date is February. But VSF advised me that best to secure a slot on December. So I would advise if you're applying visa via VSF, be at least 3 months early. So let's say February is your travel date, you have to make sure that you have to secure a slot at December. To secure a slot in December, you need to book on November or October. Hello guys, so naami sa parking lot sa Salet. It is in Felcris Sales, second floor. So it's just right in front kung asa mo nag-apply ng driver's license, LTO. Okay, so actually doon kay BFS global direct, like different countries. So naa sila Italy, Australia, and Japan. So Japan Visa Application Center. While waiting, pila-pila sa Tagalor. Sulod na mi guys. I'm excited. Sulod na mi. We're not allowed to take a video inside, but the Lounge Plus is very clean and comfortable. They have friendly staff assisting you with all of your requirements. I will add the basic requirements below in the comment section. You have to take note that the Premium Lounge Plus service does not influence the embassy's decision or guarantee your visa approval. It only offers a faster, more comfortable submission experience at the visa application center with shorter waits, dedicated lanes, and extra amenities like drinks and snacks without affecting the actual visa processing time or outcome. So we're done. It's still 8:19. So nakabot may mga 7:20 more or less. So mga 1 hour lang. So was fast, seamless. Well, no. So expectation, I thought like mga half day, may whole morning. But then 1 hour lang. Amazing. And I thought asking pila, really good. Very nice sila hang planning for appointment. Dili crowded. Sortehan lang jud mi last batch nakabukog walk-in. Medyo kapos na jud ka sa oras and then wala na schedule sa online appointment nila sa website. I would suggest mag-Lounge Plus na lang jud mo. Pag mag-Lounge Plus mo, kailangan mo mag-call sa ilang call center, email, para lang jud like earlier ang inyong makuha na schedule. So among nabayaran for Premium Lounge Plus is 3,970 pesos plus NAMI VFS service fee charges, which is 520 pesos. So per head, it would cost around 4,409. Fuel, say kung worth it ba? I think somewhat worth it kaysa naman matiway ang among ticket, diba? Kay ang processing time daw nila is 3 to 4 weeks. Tapos kung napay mga additional requirements, mga sila. So it would really depend kay Japan Embassy. So mas nakay allowance the better. Kaya para at least, diba, makuha ni mo ang visa ahead sa mong travel date kay na. So masking ako, medyo nakulbaan ko, confused ko. Mas prefer na ako mag-travel agency para dili na ako mag-figure out kung unsaon pag-apply. But then I realized very good nilang service, very nice, very easy. So, choco lang. I think okay lang sa VFS mo diretso guys mag-apply of visa. So, excited and looking forward. Just this is Sephora guys. Good luck!